Kristina at the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, winners. Tell me more.
Winners. Well, let's just focus on some of the winners within the consumer staples industry right now, or sector, I should say. The sector as a whole is a loser, but it's the least big, it's not losing as much as everything else across the board, like energy and financials. But I want to talk about some of these big gainers, like Conagra. They make Duncan Hines, which some people are familiar with, that icing that goes on cupcakes. Clorox. I just got a note today. So Clorox has been doing really well because of the cleaning products. But Gary Kaltbaum, who I know you've been talking about, he just said that Clorox, he sees there's going to be an expiration date for the company, because once people start buying all these products, they're going to have them in their house, and then they're not going to need them for many months to come. So this is something to keep in mind if you are playing the market right now and buying a lot of these companies. It may not necessarily be a medium-term hold, but you're seeing Procter & Gamble. If we can see that on the board there, you got $121, also in the green, up almost 2.5% as well. Walmart, if we'll bring that stock up, you can see gain as well, 4.5%. Kroger's. So these Walgreens, Boots Alliance, these are all companies, consumer staples. People are going to the stores. They're still staying open to provide these consumer staples, but many, even General Mills, this morning said General Mills that their plants are running at capacity as more people unfortunately panic hoard, which we saw yesterday. Stores are restocking. You don't necessarily need to hoard all of the toilet paper imaginable in your basement. Back to you.
I just think it's a positive sign when you've got the Walmarts of this world up 4%. Yeah. People are out there. They are buying.
It's the economy, right? Walmart's a good example of what people are, people are shopping still and heading over there.
Yeah, I don't think there's... I think the economy actually is contracting at this point.
No, but I don't mean it's a reflection of the economy. I just meant right now you're still seeing Walmart as a staple, especially in times of needs. When we saw the hurricanes hit, Walmart was always the one that still remained open to provide these goods to people. So that's usually a barometer. When things get bad, Walmart closes.
Just wait till things get good again. I don't know when that's going to be, but I think we're going to see a gigantic turnaround in demand. The party will be on.
We'll have to wait.
Yeah, we shall. Yeah, I just don't know how long we've got to wait.